want to show you here today how you can find group boards on Pinterest that you can post to get some free traffic. Group boards work really well with a lot of things, and if you follow the rules and you don't spam and you share other people's pins and you just basically be decent and not trying to be a jerk on the board, then you can get a lot of free traffic from Pinterest group boards. But it can be a bit difficult to find some good ones, so I want to show you how I go about finding group boards. So you go to this site called pingroupie.com. They used to be a lot better, but it still works for a start. So let's see, I'm just gonna do marketing now. Let's put in marketing, and then you go search. See, then boards will come up here. So just look for a nice marketing board. Instagram marketing, network marketing, Facebook marketing. Okay, let's go to this affiliate marketing one. So you'll see some of these boards have like a request to join button there. Other ones don't. This one has a request to join. So let's go here. I'm already a member of this board. If you're not a member, here next to there'll be like a little button that says request to join. So then it's very nice. All you do is click request to join, and you're good to go. But that's not always the case. So let's see here. Let's see. Okay, so say there was a request to join. Okay, you request to join this one. Now you're looking for more boards. So you can go here, click here on this thing. It will drop down. This first one will always be the board owner. So you can always then just click there, go to them, and then you go to boards. So then here you can see all the other boards that this person have. These are all the ones with the little circle here. They are their group boards. So you can check out these group boards, and then you see, oh, okay, I like this digital marketing one. Then you go there, So here it'll tell you exactly what you need to do, and then you can go look here. So let me see. Okay, so this board, this is the owner. So now you look for, see there, it's called Kaizen Sigma. So then you look for Kaizen Sigma here, to see if they made a post anytime soon. Doesn't look like it. Yeah, not always, but that's usually like a bit of a red flag. I mean, if the guy's not pinning on his own board, then really how good can it be? But then on the other side, like, look, Neil Patel is pinning on this board, so it must be a pretty good board. Maybe it's just very busy, so that the name goes. Okay, but anyway, so see, you cannot find him here, but then you can always do this. You go straight here to him, go to pins, and then you can see their latest pins that they made. What was the name of that one? Digital marketing. So look here for a pin that has something to do with digital marketing or something. Let's just take this one. And then here under comments you go, and then I already wrote something up here. Then you just go paste. I said, hi, I would love to join your, and then you put in here digital marketing board as a collaborator. I will follow the rules and do my best to add value. I already followed you and all of your boards. Looking forward to browse through them when I get a chance. Have a great day. And then you give your Pinterest URL and your Pinterest email, and then you just go done. So people still read comments on Pinterest all the while. So this guy will get this thing, and then he can invite you to join his board if he wants to. You can always go here on his name. See, I'm already following this specific account, and then after you send the send that little message to them, or that comment, then you just follow them, and then you go on. Then you can just go here. Let's see what boards this guy has. So you go here. DIY business. Quite like this, the look of this. See, it says DIY. They have not. So let's go again. So we look here. We see Quirkney is the owner of this board. Let's try to remember her face. So let's look here for Quirkney. Anybody? Do we see Quirkney? Bum bum bum. I don't see her here. Okay, not to worry. Then we just go back here. Go to her profile. Go to her pins. See, you can see she's more into these kind of stuff. So that's where there's no pins of hers. DIY business. Okay, let's skip this one. Let's try one more. Last one, blogging and work. I think I really remember it, that one. Make money from home online. Okay, let's try this one. Make money from home online. And you'll see it's like Learn the World is the owner. So let's click here and Learn the World. No, I cannot find Learn the World. I'm just trying to find a board where the owner actually posted something. So I can, because that's like the best way to get an invite. Fashion, beauty, nature, blogs. You can also look here. It's a good sign if it's a good board. See if it's a lot of different people that's posting pins. That's a very good sign. And because sometimes you'll see it's like one person, that's just one person posting, no one else. There's a lot of people, that's good. But you can always also do, if you join a board, make a pin to the board, and then the next day or 2 days later come back to the board and see how far down your pin has gone. If your pin is still like here in this first line after 2 or 3 days, then there's really no point in keep posting on that board. So let's see. Let's find one good one. I've been through these marketing ones so many times. I don't think there's one I'm not on. So here you can see like content marketing strategies. Here was like a to join button. So I already joined, and then I'm still waiting for the reply. Those are the best ones because you don't have to send a message. You just click it. Affiliate marketing for bloggers. Okay, this is the final one. If I don't find it on this one, I'm gonna go on. Oh, I'm already a member. Damn it! Give me. Okay, let's try increase blog traffic. There we go. So here are all the rules. Blog traffic, we see it's Lifted Travel is the owner. So let's look here. Where's Lifted Travel? And no, I cannot find her. Black and white, Lifted Travel. I don't see Lifted Travel. Nope. But she's obviously more into her travel things. Here's a nice one, affiliate marketing. Ah, beautiful. See, affiliate marketing group board, and there they have the request to join. So you just request to join. You don't have to follow the owner or anything, but I just do it. I'm already following them. So after you follow, then you go to their boards. So you see, okay, they've got nice boards. Let's see what's going on here. Here's another affiliate marketing one. Ah, great stuff. Request to join. Boom. And where was I now? Okay, request to join. Then you go here. Pip Money Online Solutions. Follow this dude, and then you can just go back to the boards, because I think this account has some good boards. See, it's all health. Here's a business group board. Request to join. There we go. See, if you're lucky, like like now you can get like a lot of boards. I'm not sure what the limit is of boards for a day, but I usually do like about 10 boards a day, and you can see I've already got 4. If you request to join like 10 boards, you'll get one or two. You'll get like one or two. You'll get like 1 or 2 people that will actually ask you to be on the thing. I'm just gonna be on that fashion one too, because I have a fashion program. Okay, so yeah, that's literally what you do, and you just do this every day for an hour or so, and then after time your boards start building up and up and up, and you can put more boards. You can go to tailwindapp.com, and you can just what's the word? You can just automate everything. You line up your pins. You can put up pins for a month ahead. They've got loops. There's lots of stuff, and then your pins will just automatically pin to all these boards. Just check in every now and again to see that you're not the only one pinning on the board and blocking everything. Obviously don't spam. I never pin more than 1 pin a day. I know there's boards that say you can pin up to 5 a day. I never do more than 1 pin a day, 1 pin per board. So yeah, you can see if you have like 30 boards and 1 pin a day, it's 30. That's almost 1,000 pins a month. So over time your pins will go on these boards, and what's very cool with Pinterest is if someone sees your pin and they repin it, it goes to the top of another board. So you can get traffic from very old pins. So if you I think I've got like 7,000 or 8,000 pins flying around here, then you can get a lot of free traffic. I've never found any other way to get more free traffic faster than with Pinterest group boards. The thing is, just don't spam and be respectful of the other people on the board and the group board, because Pinterest will cancel your account and you're not going to get it back. So keep that in mind. Anyway, I hope that helped, and that you find some cool boards. And what's cool about Pinterest, any niche under the sun you can find a board, so there's something for everyone. Okay, till next time, cheers.